اهلا بيك في حلقه جديده من كورس القواعد المتقدمه. الكورس ده شرح انجليزي فقط لانه من ضمن كورسات المستوى الثالث على تطبيق زي امريكان انجلش. حمل التطبيق من صندوق الوصف وادرس من البدايه للاحتراف مجانا مع ملخصات واسئله بعد كل حلقه. اما لو جاي بالترتيب فاهلا بيك. Greetings guys, this is Ibrahim and we're continuing where we left off in the previous lesson. We discussed the first form of talking about the future, which was, do you remember? That's right, be plus infinitive. Today we talk about something we call future progressive. What is future progressive? Good question. It's when you say will be plus ing. That's what we call future progressive. If that's what it is, then how do we use it? Another good question. We're most likely to use the future progressive in two scenarios. Scenario number one, we use future progressive to say that something will be in progress at a certain time in the future. See where the name comes from? Something will be in progress in the future, future progressive. Easy. Let's see some examples to reinforce the meaning. This time, next Tuesday, I'll be lying on the beach. Where is the action that will be in progress in the future? I'll be lying on the beach. That's not just one quick action and poof, done. No, it will progress for some time in the future. Another example, you won't be able to park here tomorrow. They will be fixing the road. Again, fixing the road is not just one quick action and poof, done. No, it's likely to continue for some time. It will progress over a period of time on the future, so we use the future progressive. Pause the video here and write down one thing you'll be doing at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Come on, do it. Don't make me beg. For me, I'll be reading my favorite book while drinking American coffee tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Now, pause the video again and write something you won't be doing tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning. Come on, are you expecting me to ask you again? All right, for me, at 10 o'clock tomorrow, I won't be watching a movie. If you remember, I told you there were two scenarios where you're most likely to use the future progressive. What is the second one? Second scenario is for polite inquiries or requests. By the way, you can use inquiries or inquiries. If you want to politely request or ask someone to do something, use the future progressive. Let's compare these three questions together. 1. Will you write to Jack? 2. Are you going to write to Jack? 3. Will you be writing to Jack? The first question, will you write to Jack? Maybe I'm requesting, or perhaps I'm ordering you to write to Jack. We will know from the context. The second question, are you going to write to Jack? It feels like I am pressing you to make a decision. Come on, decide now. Is it yes? Is it no? Come on, make your mind. But the third question, will you be writing to Jack? Here, I'm just asking about your plans. I am making a very polite inquiry or inquiry. So to recap, two scenarios for using future progressive. 1, to say that something will be in progress at a certain time in the future. 2, to ask politely about a decision or to make a polite inquiry. Are you ready for a quick test? I sure hope so. I'll give you a sentence that I'd like you to make the future progressive form of it, to ask politely. I'll answer the first one for you, of course. 1. When will you be paying the rent? 2. Who will you be inviting? 3. How soon will you be coming back? 4. When will you be going home? 5. Where will you be staying? 6. What time will you be having breakfast? What will you be studying at university? Alright guys, this is where I say adios and I'll catch you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.